So here we have the Panasonic Toughpad, the FZ-M1. It's the 7-inch ruggedized Windows version of the device, so it's suitable for enterprise deployments. It's got a very solid chassis here. You can drop this, you can replace the battery. It's got a number of customizable features, so you can add in a magnetic stripe reader, you can add in a barcode reader, or you can add in a smart card reader. So depending on whether you want it for retail deployments or whether you want engineers to use it in the field, you can customize it to your heart's content. So just talking a bit about the ruggedization, so it's got two port covers. So here we have the full USB port here, which can be covered, so if you, in case you do spill any liquids on it. And the second port cover is for the power cord attachment. On the bottom you just have the dock, so you can actually dock this in as well. And on the top you have the volume keys, you have the power button, you have rotation lock, and then you have a special customizable button here which you can actually customize to do whatever you want. So you can get it to open programs, close programs, and skip backwards or forwards, switch off the screen. So I've actually set this to every time I press it, it will automatically open iTunes. But if you have a specific application that people will be using, a retail application or a database, anything that people use in the field, you can automatically get them to open it using that button. It's very useful. As you can see here, I've just attached the stylus as well, which can be used to navigate the interface, and also useful for pen input. It's actually not too heavy either. It's very comfortable to hold in one hand, and yeah, you can easily imagine you carrying this around all day. So a bit about the specifications. So inside it's got an Intel Core i5 2.3 GHz processor. It's actually a world's first because it doesn't have a fan, so the product might get a little bit hot, but it's designed to run with the low power consumption. It's got 4 GB of memory. It's running Windows 8.1 as you can see there, but it's got all the desktop features. The screen is 7 inches and it's 1280 by 800, and it's specifically designed to be used outdoors as well. So it's got the automatic brightness adjustment, and it has the matte finish as well, so when you get the glare off the lights, it's not going to really affect this very much at all. Pricing starts over £1,000, so it isn't the cheapest product, but when you consider that it's got all the ruggedization options, and I'm just going to show you the customization here. So I'm just going to put in the power cord so it doesn't switch off, and there you can just pop out the battery, and you can add in a micro SIM or a micro SD card slot in there. It's all very well designed, and it actually just keeps running as well when you've got the power connected but you don't have the battery, so that's another feature. And you can also customize the internal memory, so you can, this one comes with 128 GB SSD storage, but you can get 256 as well if you want. And that's the Panasonic Toughpad.